Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti. If you are new here, I am the face and the voice behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co. And today I am here to celebrate with you all, with my wonderful community, a very Merry Christmas. I hope everybody is doing well and is enjoying their day, that they're full of rest, they're eating good food, and just chilling with their families. 2020 has been a weird year, I know. And you know what? I broke my summer hiatus and I said, you know what? Let's just keep with the 2020 spirit and break winter hiatus for a minute here. So I'm on here today. I planned to do a video for today, but then I kind of gave up on that because I don't know if you guys are familiar with that raggedy looking fox meme. I think it's called the stone fox. But anyway, I was feeling like that guy looked by the time the semester ended, and I was just like, you know what? I'm not doing any of that. But anyway, it wouldn't be me. It wouldn't be me to not get on for Christmas. I mean, out of all the holidays during the year, I think this is the one that I actually kind of engage in a little bit more. You know, my tree is up on the 1st of November, and my studio is usually decorated by the middle of November, and I'm just living it up. I make stuff to wear for this thing. Last year I did this holiday charity event thing at my school, and I made an ugly sweater that was really a big hit with the kids. But anyway, it was really great, and I just kind of enjoy this time of year because it's very lighthearted and just I can't talk. It's really lighthearted, you know, compared to the rest of the year. So I think I really enjoy this time because of that reason. It's just a time for me to reflect on my faith and just in general have a good time, you know. So anyway, I have a little bit of a treat for you guys today, and I use that term very lightly, treat. But anyway, me and my eccentric self decided to get on and do a little something different. It's nothing too crazy, but you know, just a little different from what I normally upload here on the channel, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I do have some news, and I just couldn't wait to say it because it's me. And anyway, if you haven't been keeping up with the blog posts, I got monetized on November 30th, and I was like, wow, that's a heck of a time to get monetized. I reached the threshold on the 29th, and they approved me like within 24 hours. So, but I've been having the issue with them putting ads on my videos for about a year and a half now, so you might not have noticed the difference. They also did a policy change on the 20th where they started monetizing all the content on YouTube, whether you're part of the program or not. So you might not have noticed an influx in the ads, but if you have, for whatever reason, I am monetized. Yay! It was one of my main goals when I started YouTube. One of them, I had a lot of reasons for starting YouTube, but that was one of the main goals that I wanted to hit within like the first couple of years on YouTube, and I think I've done that. Well, not think, I have done that, and I just wanted to thank my community and everybody who is joining my community every day, because my God, it's growing really fast, for tuning in and joining the family. You guys are wonderful, and I am glad that I can make content for such a huge host of people. Look, a couple years ago, I barely wanted anybody to see my videos, and now I'm just like, oh yeah, 2,000. I almost have 2,100 subscribers right now, so I'm like, okay, that doesn't bother me at all, which is a really good place to be for me. So anyway, thank you guys so much. Again, I wish your holidays to be happy and full of life and wonderfulness. Okay, so yeah, I got monetized, and yeah, I'm almost at 2,100 subscribers. When I opened up Firefox earlier, I was like, I think it was at like 2,051, and I was just like, okay, where? Where? Because just the other day I was at like 2,018, and I was trying to catch it when it hit 2020 because I wanted to make a meme or something, but I actually caught it at 2021 because I was helping out with the Christmas dinner. You know how it is. Anyway, so that's cool, but I was just like, I'm blown away by the amount of support and people's willingness to just join along with me, and I hope that I can continue to grow as the years go by. So, if you guys, you know, can tell that I'm totally... Yeah, so I thought that I should keep in tune with the channel's tradition as well. When I started my channel in 2018, I was still really small, but I was doing a lot of big stuff way ahead of time. But anyway, I did this huge unboxing thing. I first designed this hat, and I wore it on camera in my white robe in my corner that is retired from crochet videos. And I thought that was really fun to do. Last year, I got on, I did a chit chat, I let you guys know what I had planned for 2020. I kind of ranted, and then I was done. I was very happy, but then I was done. I think I broke hiatus like twice last year, so maybe this is just keeping in tune 2019 forward. Anyway, and then this year I was just like, I didn't quite get to do everything as planned around this time of year, so I was kind of bummed about that. And then, like I said, the whole Raggedy Fox thing, I wasn't feeling it. And I was just like, let me just take a break before I fizzle out. So, yeah, keeping in spirit with taking breaks. This cape, I don't remember if I talked about this cape yet at this point. But anyway, this cape, I did that ugly sweater thing community event last year, and I started designing this cape, and I absolutely love it. It's a small accessory, but like, if you don't have time to make the ugly sweater, an ugly cape is just as fine. And this one is mimicking my ugly sweater, which is over there in the corner somewhere. Well, I'm looking at it, but anyway, it mimics it because it has the bells on it. Now, when I did that sweater, I had attached gold, red, and green bells to it, and it's of course the same color as this, mostly the peppermint color. And I got the lovely idea while I was finishing it off on my mannequin. I'm like, you know what would be cool? Putting fringe on it, but I didn't have a whole heck of a lot of yarn. So what I did is I put my bells on first. I think I put them on every like 10 stitches or so, and then that center stitch I would attach the tassel fringe stuff, and I had a lot of fun with it. And I thought it'd be a good idea to just like not let this go to waste. So I hopped on today. This pattern, it'll be available on my website some point next year. I've already written it up, but the thing is I handwrite my patterns when I'm designing, and then I go back and I type them up and put them in pattern format, and so I can copyright them and upload them. God, I can't talk. But anyway, me and Old Faithful have a treat for you guys today, so I hope you guys will enjoy. And until 2021, happy making! My grandmother is probably asleep upstairs. At this point, I'm just now realizing. Oops. Oh my god, I'm terrible. Anyway, let's see. Something else I enjoy doing is singing Christmas songs to my retail worker friends and they hate me for it. I'm just like, I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. And I usually only get that far before they hurt me, or attempt to, or think about it rather, because they don't actually hit me, but they do walk away, which does hurt my feelings. I don't know why I'm so goofy. It's just a good day. I don't know this song, but I'm trying my hardest. Alright, let's try this. I'm just doing a check because one time I put on my makeup to record, and I recorded like a whole 30-minute video, and I had lipstick on my teeth. And anyway, P.S. You know, this is probably the best way to get your grandparents to judge you. You know, if you just come up around midnight, you just go visit them at midnight wearing something like this with like bum clothes on and your hair unkempt. Yeah, my grandma looked at me. Like, the look on her face was so hilarious because I think I had my pigtails and I had on my lounge clothes, and she's just like, "Are you okay upstairs?" I'm like, "Yeah, what makes you think that?" I just started prancing around. Anyway, Merry Christmas, guys.